We do a global weekly forecast call with our geo leads, and um, it's a roll up of the forecast of all the different regional directors, and it's what they've pulled together from their teams. But the exercise was really dominated by spreadsheets, and people were working from Excel. We were using Salesforce, but in terms of our sales forecasting, we were very manual. And so what Clari has done is it's given us a lot more visibility as a tool, and frankly, all of our leaders now are using Clari. So they're managing the process with Clari. And now when we get on our forecast calls, we're actually sharing virtually Clari. And when I go through the calls with all the regional directors, and I'm talking to our lead in Eastern Nordics, he's presenting to me not just with PowerPoint and maybe an Excel spreadsheet. The whole meeting is in Clari, and he's taking me through his forecast. And then we're diving in and looking at actual pipeline, and we're looking at what's in best case deals, and key best case deals. And we're looking out, we're looking at current quarter, future quarter. So we're having a much richer dialogue. And it's important for us because we know where to prioritize our attention. And so from that perspective, we are able to see the business in a way that we haven't been able to see it before, and then collaborate as a team in a way we haven't collaborated before, because in real time we can move around, and we have much greater visibility and much richer information as we're looking at the business.